This is Irontrader. It is Wednesday night. Now, today was a stock holiday, so there was really no market, but crude oil was still trading. Now, the futures opened here at 6 o'clock. That was about 35 minutes ago. So we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have crude oil, and then we have natural gas, daily charts. Now, before we get started here, the API number was out yesterday. I had that all posted for you here on my morning video, all the highs, the lows, the whole 9 yards. Now, on Thursday, the EIM report for crude oil will be out at 11 o'clock, and for natural gas will be out at 10:30. And then Friday, the rig count will be out as usual at 1 p.m. Okay, let's take a look and see what went on here today. Okay, here we have your daily chart. Now you can see we made a little bit higher high. This is what we're looking for. It was at 80.85, and now we made it just a little bit higher high. You went up to 81.16. Okay. Now this is the key level here where this price channel came across. Here was this level here, 80.62. Real-time price right now is sitting at 80.54, so you're just below that. So we, as I pointed out in my other videos here, we just have to see what's going to happen here right when we get to this level here. So right now we had a little bit higher high, but you notice that we have a red candle here. Okay, so let's just look at the downside first. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to watch here is this 50 SMA here. You're looking at 79. 79, and we have your 200-day. You're looking at what do we got here? 79.68, and then we have your 100-day here sitting at 79.57. Okay, so that's what we're looking for here on your key level. Now your 8-day is moving up here, very nice. You cross your 21-day here. Now you're about to cross this whole big set of support levels here. If we can get above that, that can send this price up higher. So we're bullish here as long as that 8-day is holding. Once you lose that 8-day, well, then your big test is going to be here. Is going to be that 77.60. That's your 21-day. Now, if you look at this 21-day here, though, this is not just flattened out. This looks like it wants to curl right back up here. So we got to see how this is all going to shake out. Now, your MACD obviously is looking good. Your green is above your red. That's the buy signal right there. RSI sitting at 58, plenty of room to run. Looking very, very good. Now, we'll see what happens here. Now, again, we got to see if you can get above here, this 81.16. That's what we're looking for here now. Then what we're going to be doing here is looking right here at the next level. You're looking at 81.57. That's going to be your next resistance level. Then we'll come right to the bottom here. You're looking at 81.99. And then we'll look to the bottom of this candle, 82.40. And then we'll come right here to the top, 83.30. And then we have 83.91. And then look at this bad boy, 84.46. That got stopped dead in the tracks by the old 21 last time. Okay, so that is going to be what your big target is here. Next target, bring that price channel across. What we have 85.64, and then bring that other price channel across here. This is what you have is your 86.18, and then we have your big retest up there at 87.67, which will be this candle right here. Okay, but right now when you look at this chart here, see we had that left shoulder, we had a head, and then we have this right shoulder here. So this is what they call an inverse head and shoulders pattern. Okay, so if you ever want to look about patterns or candlesticks, I just go to my playlist. Everything is right on there. I do videos all the time on it because I watch them myself here. Just to what I'm trying to do is always look at the chart here and look for patterns inside the patterns. Anything that'll give you an edge, that's what we're always going to look for. Okay. So bottom line is this: just watch all this level right here. That's 79.79 here, 79.68 right here, 79.57. All this here is going to be very, very key support levels. And then right there, 8 SMA, 79.05. This is what you're looking for. Now, again, when those futures open, not futures open on Monday, this should just keep right on rising. Then if we can get that bullish cross here, we can send that price right on up here. Now, we got a lot of big storms coming in here, tropical storms coming in early. So any kind of disruption, remember, is going to take crude oil and natural gas higher. So just remember that. So what you want to watch here is this top of this candle, 80.62 critical. Watch this candle, 80.85, and then today's high at that 81.16. If we go above, well, we know exactly where we're going to be going. Downward, just watch all that 79 area and watch that 8 SMA. Very, very crucial. Okay, let's take a look here at natural gas. Now, natural gas here, well, you can see here, okay, so what do we have? We had a really nice good run up here. We're trading this box, but what we had is that nice series of higher lows. See that? And then we just higher lows, higher highs all the way through. Then we had that indecision candle. Now, we see these 4 red candles here. This is not something you want to see unless you're short. Okay, so if you're short natural gas, then this is exactly what you want to see. You want to see lower highs and lower lows. That's the key, okay? But we had this negative divergence here, okay? I pointed this out here. So where you had your high right there, and then we put in a higher high, but we put a lower high on your RSI here. So always use this RSI here to your advantage. Even though it's a relative strength index, show you the strength of what's going on, it also can give you signals like this, which is very, very good for you, any kind of an edge. Okay, now your green is still below your red here. That was a sell signal, and that's exactly what we had. Now, what we had here, though, as it sold down, we gapped down, but look at how nice it held that 21 day, okay? So this is why you want to just, put very simple stuff on your charts, okay? You don't need all this complicated stuff. I have the 8 simple moving average, your 21 day, your 50 day, your 100 day, your 200 day, and these blue lines here are just price channels. All these price channels is just tops and bottoms of candles. That's all they are. Okay, and it keeps life very, very simple. See this when it ran all the way up here? Well, that's what you're looking for, 80.62. See the bottom, 72.48? It's just the bottom of that candle. Okay, so it's very simple. It's right there. It's not saying, oh, it could possibly go into this area like the clouds are or Bollinger Bands, and there's circles around. That's all nonsense. Just go here. This is exact. You can't get anything more exact than right there, tops and bottoms of candles, okay? Very, very simple. But what I like about the price channels is as the price is running, say this price ran down. But on the other side, the price channel gives you right here, all these levels. Now, when this is rising up, these are all your resistant levels here. This are all your upside targets. That's what it is. That's why I just love using the price channels. Okay, so let's just take a look at what, again here. Well, we're trading in between this 21 day and that 8 day. You can see this, okay? Very nice. Now, we gapped down. We filled that gap. That was 2.848, and then we had 2.87. That gap is filled here by that candle. Now, this candle here was 2.91. Today's candle here, we had 2.92. So we're just a little bit higher. What we're looking for is right here, okay? 2.948. That's the candle. That's the 8 simple moving average. That's what you're looking for to get above. If you close above, then we look right there. You're looking at 3 flat. Then we have 3.09, 3.13, and there's your big retest up there at 3.159. Okay, but all that doesn't mean anything unless you close above that 8 simple moving average. Then these are your upside targets. That simple. Downside, what we want to watch? Well, today we made a low of 2.85. Okay, so right now natural gas here is sitting at 2.91. So we look back to this gap here. Okay, 2.87. That's your support. We'll look to the top of that candle, 2.848. Okay, that's what we're looking for. And then realistically, this is what you're looking, 2.785. Okay, that is your 21 SMA here. So you're trading this range. Now, again, if that 21 day is lost, say it comes up here, hits that 8 day, and it comes flying down and closes below that 21 day. Well, then what we do is we just look to the top of these candles here, okay? This is what you're looking for, okay? So what do we have here? 2.75. So you look at that 2.78, then we look at 2.75. Then we just follow the candles, okay? 2.65, okay? You have 2.57, all right? And then we come over here. You got 2.518. And then this is your target here, that 2.47, your 200 simple moving average. That's lost. You can come down to your 50 SMA, okay? But all that is the same thing, is above it. You have to close below that 21 day, then you can come right on down here. But right now, you're just trading this range. So that's what you do. I trade UNG for the long, very easy, in and out, big volume, no issues, okay? KOLD for the short. Another thing, big volume, in, out, 10 seconds, boom. Take your money, put it in the pocket. Very, very simple. So watch that 21 day, 2.786. Watch that 8 day, 2.948. You crack above, we know where we're going. You crack below, we know where we're going. There's your big target. Okay, that's what I got for you. A little crude ski, a little netty gas. I'll be back here tomorrow morning before 8 o'clock, and we're going to do it all over again. Thanks for watching.